Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Travel, and today I'm going to teach you how to install Redis. So without delaying, let's start to install Redis in the Linux machine. Okay, so what will be the first step? The first step is to update my DNF package. So you can use any kind of package manager. It can be DNF, apt, so whatever you can use. So for me, I'm going to start first upgrading my DNF package. Sudo DNF upgrade. So as you can see, now I'm upgrading my package and do yes. Okay. So let it download, let it update my package. Yes, so now my package is updated. So what is the next step? The next step is to install Redis. So now let's install Redis. It's very simple steps, and as you can see, I'm going to install Redis. So as you can see, I think my session had expired because from my VPN connectivity. Let it connect again. Because I teach you real time, sometimes you can see some issue of my connectivity becoming disconnected and everything. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, so now I'm back. So now I have to install Redis. Perfect. So let's see. Let's wait for it to install Redis. Okay, perfect. Now as you can see, it had installed the Redis. I normally do clear because I like to make my skin bit clean. So after that, the next step is to edit the redis-config file. So for that, I will run this command. As you can see, I'm using nano. You can use vim or any kind of thing so that you can edit the file. So for me, I'm right now using nano. So let's run nano. Okay, the nano is not there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install nano. Sudo dnf install nano. So I'm installing the package nano right now. Okay, so the nano got installed. So now I'm going to use nano to update the redis config file. So now let's update the config file. Okay, my command is here. Sudo nano, then etc redis config. So as you can see, I'm in the config file. I want to set the port. Let's see, where is the port? So I'm trying to look for my port. Okay, so by default the port is already there. It had already set to 6379. So that means the port is already there. So let's see how it gonna be helping us out. Okay, so now let me do Ctrl X to close it. As you can see, my port is already there on the 6379. I do not need to change it. If you want, you can change there to any port you want. So now let's start Redis. So as you can see, I'm writing some simple command to start the Redis, and now we need to see if the Redis is really running, so that we can know exactly what is happening. So you can see there is two commands, start redis and restart redis. You can run any both of them, because by default when you do restart, if the service is not running, it will start first. So if you do restart, if the service is running, it will restart. So now we need to ping redis. We need to see if the redis we can reach it. So let's redis CLI port 63979 and ping. Okay, as you can see, when you do ping, it is telling you pong. So that means redis is responding, means redis is working on your server. Now let's check the status of the redis. For that we have to run this command. So the command is here. I'm going to check the redis status. As you can see, it is showing redis service active, this and this. You can see like all of the things. So that means it is showing redis is running. So I think today we see how to set up redis on the Linux. So yeah, so I'll be bringing also some other setups, programming and all of those things. So kindly subscribe my channels, write down below in my comment box and I will reply you back. Thank you, have a good day, take care.